มตีมวยรัว
บ้าอะไรในเกมจีมือระบายยังบางจับตามตัวเทียบวันไหนตัวเชี่ยจุ่มนุ่มวันนี้ดับบอลลิมในชั้นต่อไหนพร้อมจังปีสแต่จังเนี่ยนกนกข้าประกวด
ย่าตามคนนี้เลยแลนก็ได้กลิมอาเชียบีฉันจะเกิดได้ขึ้นมาเลี้ยงกลางบ้านจะเลือกกาซิมาชมมวย
เป็นแปดเชียร์มวย
โอ้บักเซียกับรัสเซลบลาปิก
กาซิมา
เรียนแรงยนเรือเหนือมั้งมันพัดเส้นบลาทั้งปี
เลี้ยงแบบบ้าเลี้ยงจมวยนังไวบีได้นะปีกลิม
โอ้แต่นายสตี
บ้าไอ้จังออสเปล
ป่ะมวยตัวมวยประตูมันบอลเมอร์ที่บนแอมไปแล้วป่ะ
มาสเตอร์
เนี่ยที่นั่นแหละไม่บังไซอย่างนะก็ย้อนจมวยนั่งกระสับหลังเมื่อบนมกตีตะวันไหนย้อนบอกสแกนหอบนมกตีทางออนไฟทีมไฟนะเหมือนทางออนเมอร์ทีมไฟนะเมื่อบนมกตีตะวันไหนก็ย้อนสิเกะปากก็ย้อนเบียร์แตงก็ได้หนึ่งเปะให้ประเด็นประกอบเปะฟูแตงย้อนมองบอกตานบ้านบ้านเหมือนกันแต่ทะเลยูมีที่ขโมยฝนใต้ยูมีอาเชียมต่อเด็กเนี่ยข้ามคอยมาก็นายเปะแตง
ดับเทียตักสิจันทันเธอแมนเมก
ลุยกระสันปลามวยแม่นก็แต่ลุยกระสันปลามวยพอได้สร้างกระเป๋ากูในเวียนไปเมียนปีไอ้ย่าเขาตอนนั้นหลุดกว่าไฟแน่กระเป๋าตีมวยในกระเป๋าตีมวย
น้องได้
บ้ากระเป๋ากูในเวียนเมียนปีกะกระเป๋าตีมวยยังกว่าบ้านมาเพลดแต่ก็ยังซ้อมเป้มาเพลดดับใบเฟอร์เรื่องมวยจังโปรเพลย์ก็ทะลังแบบเป็นนักเมียนไดทอมคือไฟไดทอมแบบเป็นนักเมียนไดทอมจะบันตีมวยบังกระบี่แต่กระเป๋าชดตีปีคือแกขวาเลยคือโรเตอร์บ้านมาสเต็กบันตีมวยบามาสเต็กไปมาได้ท่อมาสเต็กเกิดจังเป็นนักแห่ร้องแทนเราได้แต่ใบสเต็กไปหาเจอเด็กเนี่ยเพื่อนช่วยกันบอลมาตามทะเลอายุ10ปุ่งตันมวยที่ข้างหน้าปนใต้ช่วยกันสู้กับเราสัมผัสจัดสเปเชียมแล้วไปต้องช่วยกันดีไหมบัดบังช่วยกันมินิแคทบาดแต่หายการสมาร์ทการดาวทอยโจสมาร์ทจะเชียมย้อนมาในไอ้ได้มาเนาะช่วยกันโรมาบากซีในขนมแกมันนี่เลือดชวนกลัวแต่ออฟชูริฟายมาบนปีเล่นที่คู่ในของพีช่วยสเก็ตมวยจำช่วยกันสมาร์ททอดเนื้อแต่สลอนยังมาทำในไว้ในการกระโดดช่วยกันเล่มมวยต้นปีจับปีในจอมีกาฟลาตีได้กระไรช่วยกันลิน่า
บ้ากาลาซีฟินนี่จะให้ได้กดคอมมิตไว้แม้แต่งเจนนี่ต้มระเบิดใบมวยสันหมากันไปได้เจนนี่เคลียร์มวยนังซ่ารีเซ็ตสันหมาจำบัดออสจมวยนังสเปลปีเจนนี่ออสแต่งลิงชูริฟายออสแต่งลูนามาออสชูริฟายออสลิงยอม
แม่ต่างป้วนลิงยอม
บ้าสันจีกอดโฮลแต่มันติ๊กจำเจนนี่ระเบิดป้วนก็ตากอดไอ้หนึ่งทมในขนมทีมไฟวิ่ง
โอ้เดียร์ prediction กาลาซีสัก5 ปีไปร้อยอีวิไลใส่สปรังใบไปร้อย
โอ้ชายสมาร์ทตามได้มาจมวยสเก็ตปีบอกอดบางประเด็นเปลี่ยนมาเป็นเคยมาปีนมินิแคทเด็กเนี่ยป่ะเมกาบางบุกไว้ย้อนชมวยคิวเรนนัทตันดึกไปบางกระเอาไปร่วมต่อยอดไปเชนี่มาเขียนเราชมวยน้ำเขียนเอ็กซ์เพรสเราชมวยจังก็เลยบัดบังชมวยไซยานาบาได้แต่ชมวยทีมไฟไม่ได้ขนาดเป็นโรมาในเจ้าไปในกระบอกมิดแลนด์ชมวยกาซิมาวันนี้คืนนี้โรมาอัดดาวจังก็เลยบางนาเต้มัน
ขังเลิก
ซาตามันได้เลยบ้าว้าวป่ะ
ไวคืนนี้คือบัตรยออัพจิคิวได้แต่ทอเลยจังจ่ออายุทอตีปีบาได้ตรำใบอย่างตีบุญตัวหลงปีไหนเกอไปเคลียร์
ลังจัดไวเราจังจัดไว้นี่ว่าเราจังจะมองทอเตมวยใบหนึ่งตีเหรอ
ชาริตรีได้แอนเฟลริตรีมาทอนไซน์นะเตะรถฟูดำใบตั้งแต่ขาไกลดันจมวยน้ำมิดแมนอาชีเชนมาได้ขโมยกันเล่มสวัสดีเตะปัดบังกลิมเราจมวยน้ำมินิเกจังกันเลยเราจมวยน้ำโรมาฉะนั้นจะทำฉะนั้นจังกันเลยมีการเอาทอยเตะไซน์นะปนแต่ทอยกำลังตอนกันไปบุญต้นมวยจบเราไปการกุบท่าปิกาชิมา
บ่าทีมปีนี่คือโดยสกืดขี้มาไว้โดยแต่บ้านใหญ่ยังจมวยหนึ่งริชิลเลอร์ก็เกสกืดขี้แล้วมาเพลย์เอาสกืดเนี่ยเตียนบุญในตีปั่มบุญเขี้ยวมันแมนจีเรื่องทอมนาตรัมทอที่มวยบุญในตีมันแมนจีเรื่องขี้น่าไอเฟอร์บานเด้
ประชาปรามยูมิปีเขี้ยวแล้วนะลีแกมาไอโคดิเมกลีแกมวัดเฟอร์เชมาซิลดิเมกอะจังแพ้ไปยังยัดจมวยนังลีแกมดิเมกใช้มาพิยูมิวิ่งจังสัญญายูชิก็เบียร์เฟอร์ให้ทำสกายพิเซอร์จีเรื่องล้อตายมาตั้งดูจิก็จังเบียร์ลุยเมียนคอนเซนเทรติกจังเตอร์กับโลวินบอลติก
ใส่นะเบียร์แตงไปด่าแต่ไปมีดิเมกแต่เลิกกระสันหลักบอกว่า
ลูน่าก็จะปรามีนั่นนะทีมวยก็จอยทีมไฟบ้านมาเคียวทีปีก็ชนะแลนแต่เลยนี่เด็ดมันไหมเนี่ยก็ชนะแลนเลยแคลซีเด็ดบ่าจังบ่าลูน่าก็ถือไปจับใหญ่เดเมทบอลลูน่าได้แต่ไว้ได้สำคัญชั่วโมงหนึ่งเกมนี้ยังกระทั่งบ่าสั้นจิโจแต่ดอลเลตเกมก็เห็นป่ะบกแต่เลยข้างกับละซีผู้ให้เราเลตเกมก็ทงไปยี่สนสินไว้ไปอีชั่วโมงนั้นหน้าตันมวยเด็ด
บ่าเลยเด้อก็ปังแต่เลยการพิกออฟ
ก็ปังเลยการพิกออฟ
บ่าสั้นเนี่ยก็เซตอัพพิกออฟบ้านหลอกแอดอีเวลไลท์ก็หนึ่งแตงจะได้ขนาดเลยมั้ง
ป่ามวยชวนกันบ้าทนดอทอยจ้องไว้แต่เลิกกระลิมในคดีรถชวนช่วยกันนะกระไรแต่ดัชมวยช่วยไฟรถชนไปยังเต็มดัชมวยในคดีมาแต่ให้เธอบ้านยังขึ้นมาบ้านแต่แค่สิบ้านมุตเตอร์ปีตร์ไปเฉียบดาวทอยมันกับมันสัตว์ไปนั่นในคดีมันยูชี
บ thêm phái quát đôi chỉ
គេចាក់បានមុនគេលេងមុន
ខេស៊ីអស់ spell រត់លឿនហើយ
អ្វីដែលចាប់អារម្មណ៍មួយគឺ team fight គ្រាន់អស់ spell យកជីវិតចាយយក spell
បាទជាមួយនឹងការបាយនៅក្នុងប៉មរត់ក៏មិនរួចទេគ្នាជាមួយនឹង KC
អូយមីបាទយើងយឺតតិចបាញ់មិន
ទោះគាត់លោតមកក៏គេនៅតែបដូរវាយដែរទៅលើ Kelsey មកបាក់ហ្នឹងនេះតែយូមីកន្លែងនេះបើសិនជាគាត់ដាច់ខ្លាចអត់ទីធីវ
បាទយូមេតប៉មនេះជាប់ឬក៏មិនជាប់មីនៀនសតតែមកគ្រាប់បាញ់កាប់ដាច់ជាមួយយូមីដាច់ជាមួយនឹងប៉មបាត់បង់ពីគេតែដូរតថមកវិញតថនេះយកទៅក៏មិនទាន់បានប្រទេសព្រះឃើញជួយវាយណែបដៃជើមកតែលេងតែមួយមើលបានញ៉ាំឆ្ងោករីហ្វ្រីពិសាយណារត់ក៏ទៅក្នុងពេលខាងលើជាមួយនឹងការសូលោកគេតែម្ដងជាមួយនឹងមីនីខាតយកបានក៏បានជាមួយនឹងការវាយទៅចំណាយជាមួយនឹងការទៅលេងពីខាសេ
ចេះអូគលីមមិញបើសិនជាគាត់ជន់ AOG មិញទៅតែគាត់សម្រាប់ចិត្តជន់ណាតែគាត់ក៏គិតថាយក kill ក៏បានក៏ជារឿងល្អដូចគ្នាប៉ុន្តែព្រោះ early game មានការប្រទាយបន្ទងគ្នាជាមួយនឹង kill ក៏ដូច goal
បាទឥឡូវរមកប៉ារ៉ូមើលខ្ញុំគិតថាបាយកាស៊ីម៉ាដាច់ទេ
បាទដាច់ទេតែគាត់បើ ultimate early game មានតែមិនទេនិយាយទៅខាង team Evil Eye ក៏គាត់ត្រូវការជាមួយនឹង item ដូចគ្នាដែរជាមួយនឹង Yushi ក៏និយាយនឹងក្រដែរណាអញ្ចឹងគាត់ត្រូវការ item ដូចគ្នាបាទជាមួយនឹង Edetel បន្តការ farm ពី Kelsey កលឹមអូយ Luna សង្កំ farm មួយថ្ងៃហើយបាទយកបាន2 turret ភ្លាមយកតែម្ដងនៅក្នុង6នាទីដំបូងប៉ុន្តែបាទហប់ជាឈៀវទៅដល់ជាមួយនឹង turret
អ្វីយើងចង់ឃើញគឺមកនេះនៅពេលដែលគាត់អត់មាន hero ដែលបើមកបានគាត់តែពឹងលើពីលឿនគេនឹងផោគាត់បាទការផោអត់ពាក់កណ្ដាលវាយបាន3 stake ក៏វាយកនេះខ្លួនឯងប៉ុន្តែវាយលើកាស៊ីម៉ាជារមកតាន់នេះក្បាយមានខេតលងហើយមានខេតលងហើយសមដាយើងហើយបាត់ជាមួយមានខេតផ្លាស់ចូលវាយជាមួយនឹងលូណានេះគ្នាប៉ុន្តែខណៈពេលដល់ជាមួយនឹង KC មកវិញខ្លួនឯងខាងក្រោយវាយយកទៅដល់ជីអាយូសេចាក់ជាងសងវាយវិញជាមួយនឹង IC ជាអ្នកផ្ដាច់ទៅលើលូណានោះទេយ៉ាងណាជាមួយនឹងអ្នកវាយមកក៏បានបោះនេះខ្លួនឯងទៅលើ Jenny ពូសានសតលីមីណេទៅម្ដង last man ផឹកជាមួយនឹង Express ជាមួយរត់ទៅផ្លូវណាតែដូចច្បាច់វាយគាត់ក៏បាននេះគ្នា
គាត់គំមិតមែនដល់កន្លែងហ្នឹង
ហ្នឹងនិយាយចេះបើនិយាយចំមកមិនកំហុស Luna Galaxy Phoenix over យកមកមក team fight មិញម្ដងម្នាក់យកមកមកចូលម្ដងម្នាក់
បាទឥឡូវមាន concentration energy ពី Luna តែយើងដឹងណា Yushi ក៏មាន weakness finder ដែរ hero ណាតាំងក៏ត្រូវការ attack speed ដែរបើទៅឈោមុខជាមួយនឹង Yushi បាញ់ដកជាមួយនឹង attack speed អស់ហើយបាទជ្រុល4បន្តិចបាទទោះជាគាត់មានជាមួយនឹង weakness ក៏ដោយហើយ early game hero គាត់យើងទទួលស្គាល់ថាជា hero ដែលមាន front line ហើយតែការផោកទេមិនមែន hero ឈ្មោលវាយគេទេមួយសិនមក hero late game មាន Jinsen មានណាតាន់ទេបើសិនជាគាត់ substand early ទៅដល់ mid ឈានទៅដល់ late game គឺជា game របស់គាត់ដែលងាយស្រួលបំផុតបើគាត់នៅតែជាមួយ team fight បែបហ្នឹងជាមួយនឹង Evil Eye អ្នកដែលខាត់បងធ្ងន់គឺជាក្រុមរបស់ Galaxy Phoenix នោះទេ
បាទហើយគេមីស្ដាច់ weakness finder ហ្នឹងហើយគឺវាលោតមករហូត
បាទហ្នឹងហើយបាញ់លោតរហូតហ្នឹងមិញលោតរហូតមកផ្លែលោត2ដងឡើង slow តាត់បែកចេញហ្នឹង
បាទដកអា movement speed មកខ្ញុំងុំដក attack speed នឹងយកមក cooldown 3 second កន្លះដល់ពេញម្ដងទៀតហើយព្រោះតែសារចំនួនដៃរបស់គេមីច្រើនវាតែកាត់ cooldown weakness finder ហ្នឹងតិចនេះបើយើងចង់ឃើញតើ Jenny ផោកគេឈ្នះដែរទេយើងឃើញថាការផោករបស់គាត់ឈ្នះគាត់ផោកវែងជាងគីមីរបស់ Yoshi ប៉ុន្តែគេឆ្លាតដូចគ្នាគេ start team fight លឿនយកតែម្ដងអញ្ចឹងធ្វើឲ្យគាត់ត្រូវបង្ខំចិត្តវាយដូចចឹងបើគាត់ត្រូវបើក team fight គាត់ត្រូវលេងបើក team fight តែបើគាត់ត្រូវលេងផោកគាត់ត្រូវលេងផោកបាទគេឲ្យផោកក៏មិនឲ្យផោកតាមធ្វើទៅ Jenny បើប្រទេសព្រះនេះខ្លួនឯងក៏បានទិញពិសាយណានេះគ្នាវាយបោកយកជាមួយនឹងអ្នកបើកក្តៅវិញទៅបន្តដាក់ជាមួយនឹង Yumi តែខាងក្រោយជាមួយកាស៊ីម៉ាតាន់ក៏បានជិះវាយមកខ្ញុំមិនខ្លាចបាទមួយតែម្ដង experiment
link of Purify បើសិនជា hold lot អាចកើតតទាំងពីរប៉ុន្តែមួយអត់ spell Kelsey អស់ spell sprint ដូចគ្នាជាមួយនឹងការចំណាយ spell sprint Kashima អស់ជាមួយនឹងការឡើងឈាមជាមួយនឹង lot នេះគឺបាត់បង់2 spell ដូចគ្នា
ចៃរងបាកាយជួយគ្នាវិញអាយ៉ាមួយដូចជាមានការចាប់ជាប់ទៅលើ Glim នេះខ្ញុំណាវាយ Glim យកតម្ដង ultimate load រត់មួយប្រាយនេះគឺមីនេះគេចូលសោលលើគេចេញពីក្រៅលងខ្លួនបាត់ហើយជាមួយនឹងពីក្រៅ2សៃយ៉ាណា
wow អូ slow ខ្លាំងណាស់មិនបាញ់ទៅលើ Minicat
ណាមួយដោយសារ Minicat គាត់ដាស់ចូលវាយគេហ្នឹងណាគាត់ដាស់ចូលដាស់ធ្វើមួយចង់វាយសៃណា
ហ្នឹងហើយតែពេលហ่าអត់បានវាយមិនកាត់ cooldown skill មកវិញ
ចំសុបួរ link ឃើញ map តែ3នាក់តែម្ដង
បាទឥឡូវគាត់គួរតែយក lot ឬក៏យ៉ាងណាប៉ុន្តែសៃណាឈាមតិច
អាចគេវាយសៃណាព្រោះ main damage គេមកអស់ណា
បាទកាប់3តង់យកឈាមមកវិញដោយសារគេផកអស់ពាក់កណ្ដាលគ្នាវាយយកទៅលើលេងទៅថយឈុត free ទៅលើសៃយ៉ាណាដូចគ្នាប៉ុន្តែជាមួយនឹងកាប់វាយទៅលើលេងសៃជិះផ្លុកម៉ាច់អាលុបបាទហើយអត់បាញ់
អាយុស៊ីកាន់តែមានទៅហើយ Hero Kimi នេះក៏ទៅដល់ late game ក៏គឺជា hero មួយដែលគួរឲ្យខ្លាចជាងគ្នាដែរ
ចំចិត្តក្តៅបើជាមួយនឹងទូបើក្តៅទៅមុនលោតជន់វាយវិញពីក្លីមជាប់ខ្លួនជាមួយនឹងការវាយព្រីពី KC ទុងបាទជាមួយនឹងមួយគេបាយចានេះមិនដែរលូណាផ្លាស់ទៅក្រៅនេះគ្នាដកថយមួយ
ជុំមិនបានទៅវាយកន្លែង
ចាំបើបើសិនជាគាត់ចង់វាយអានេះខ្ញុំនិយាយសាច់តែត្រូវវាយបង Galaxy Phoenix នៅពេលដែលខាង Evil Eye គាត់បានលោតមិញលោឈាមអស់ពាក់កដាហើយកដាអុកចេននេះគឺត្រូវតបាក់វាយកន្លែងនេះគឺត្រូវតបាក់វាយគេអស់ spell យកមក
មិនមាន map ទៀតដល់ពេលបាក់ map
បាទដល់ពេលអត់វាយបែរជាចង់បាន objective T1 វិញតែបាត់បង់ Kashima នោះវិញអញបាទការសម្រេចចិត្តបាទអាចរៀងខុសតិចដែរសម្រាប់បាទជាមួយនឹងខាង Galaxy Phoenix នៅក្នុង game ទី1នេះ
គេមកអមឡតហើយយើងមើលទៅលើ map EVI Serenity គឺតាមមកអមឡតនេះតែអមតន់ក៏មិនតន់ឡតត្រូវបានដាច់ team fight នៅតែបន្តបើពិសីណាក៏មាន winter crown ក៏មាន winter crown ក៏កំពុងអូយគេលងនេះគ្នាចឹងណាក៏មិនមានអ្នកបោកគាត់ឲ្យដាច់លឿននេះក្នុងឯប៉ុណ្ណេះព្រះក៏បានបើនេះគ្នាកាស៊ីម៉ាកំពុងស្វែងរក target KC ចង់ទៅទីណាអត់ពេលដល់ទៅលើ KC លោកចង់ជួយពីគ្នាចង់ក្នុងទី fight តែមិនកាវាយទៅលើលេងបានបើជាមួយនឹងលេងដល់ជាមួយនឹង KC តែយ៉ាងណាជាមួយនឹង KC ចូលពីក្រៅកំណើ winter crown ចេញមកវិញដល់ទៅជាមួយនឹង Kashima វាយយកទីកំណើជាមួយនឹងលេងតែ kill ចូលទៅ Kashima នោះទេ
អ្វីដែលសំខាន់មួយទៀតខ្ញុំចាប់អារម្មណ៍ថា Chen នេះការបើកក្តៅអុកគាត់អត់ដែល lock ជាមួយនឹង KC ទេបាទ KC តែតែបញ្ចេញ damage បានតែម្ដងអញ្ចឹងគាត់ត្រូវតែក្តៅអុកគាត់ធ្វើមិន lock ទៅលើ Chen នេះបាទ IUC បានឬមួយក៏ KC កុំឲ្យ join team fight
និយាយទៅ backline double backline របស់ Evil Eye Serenity គឺ free damage គ្រប់ពេលតែម្ដងបើមានចិត្ត load damage មកដល់ damage ពីណាគឺច្រើនណាស់
បាទ
អូចេញចិត្ត3ឲ្យធំហើយបើ Sucker ចិត្តចេញពី KC អាយុស៊ីមាន concentration glowing bond និង sky piercer ហើយ sky piercer គាត់ដូចជាអត់តមាន stake ទេដល់
គាត់សុខចិត្តលួច Proforce វិញណា Proforce នៅក្នុង game នេះវាចំណេញសម្រាប់គាត់តែខ្ញុំគិតថាគួរតែពាក់ប្រឡោះទី4អីមិនចំណេញខ្ញុំសុខចិត្តតែគាត់សុខចិត្តយក Radiant ឬមួយក៏ Blade Armor មុនសិនណាចំណេញជាងសម្រាប់គាត់ព្រោះបច្ចុប្បន្ន Damage អាយុស៊ីឈឺហើយក៏មួយ Damage KC ឈឺខ្លាំងពេកហើយណាមួយ Proforce វាជា hero hybrid item hybrid ណាវាមិនមែនជា full defense យកហ្មងទេបាទអញ្ចឹងគាត់តែ full defense ចំណេញជាង
បាទលោតតាមបៃតងយ៉ាងម៉េចដែរជាមួយនឹងយូមីកវាត់ដំយកទៅលើលុយណានេះខ្លួនឯងទៅលុយណាបាត់បង់ជាមួយនឹងយូមីទៅនេះគ្នាតែខាងក្នុងជាមួយនឹងជីអ្នកបាញ់ខាងដៅវិញពីចេនេះបន្តលោតជន់វិញនេះខ្លួនឯងវាសៃណាមិនមានចាំងកន្លែងទេគេវាយ free យកទៅលើកលឹមទៅគ្នា
មិន team fight អត់គ្រប់គ្នាមិនផឹងវាយគេដែរ
ឥឡូវនេះយាយអត់គឺ Galaxy Phoenix គឺជាក្រុមដែលបកកែឆ្កឹះអាឡត countdown សរសៃ50សង្ខឹងក៏គាត់ទៅបើកមក team fight
តែគេខាតអីហ៎គេកាត់មកតន់
បាទដូចយ៉ាងគឺគោលដៅរបស់គាត់អាខៀលក៏ខៀលគេខៀលយើងក៏ខៀលយើងខៀលគេក៏ខៀលតែតែមិនយើងកុំប្រើ spell ឲ្យគេប្រើ spell
មិនគេអត់មានប្រើ spell ទេ
បាទហ្នឹងជា face របស់ game ដែលគាត់ចង់បានហ្នឹង
អូ damage ក៏ UC ច្រើនជាងចានីទៀតតែលូណាក៏ damage គាត់ច្រើនដែរ 42k damage deal
ឥឡូវចាំមើលតិចទៀតមិនមានម្លោទៀតមានម្លោទៀតក៏ធ្វើចឹងទៀតបើសិនជាម្លោណាត់តឈ្នះចាញ់បាទជាមួយនឹងការបើក team fight គេប្រើ spell តែគេក៏ដឹងនេះខ្ញុំមកដែរគេសឹកចិត្តដាច់ក៏គេបញ្ចុច spell នេះគ្នាព្រាមទុក spell វាយជាមួយនឹង team fight លោតតែលោត minicate យកបាត់ហើយ
បាទគេ fast load យកតែម្ដងដោយសារមានជាមួយនឹងណាតាន់ដូចគ្នាបាទបើសិនចូលដល់ late game Galaxy Phoenix អាចនឹងល្អ
នេះក្រុមណាឥឡូវរត់បន្តឹងអា face game ឡើយហ្នឹងចឹងមកគេប្រើ spell មិនគេរត់រួចតែ team fight ហ្នឹងគឺគេអត់មាន spell ប្រើវិញអាពេលវាយឡតតែបើគេអត់ប្រើ spell គេងាប់គាត់យកឡត free
បាទប្រយ័ត្ន damage របស់ Luna Holy Crystal ហ្នឹងណា
ឡមែនជាមួយនឹងការចាប់វាយផ្លូវខាងលើដូចគ្នាវិញក៏បានចូលខ្លួនទៅកាន់ Yumi ឡតក៏បានមកដល់ជាមួយនឹងការបុកមួយផ្លូវខាងលើបណ្ដោះអាសន្នផងដែរលុយចាប់ដើម swing មកបដាជាមួយនឹង 2.4k ក៏ដាច់មកឡតនេះមកបាន3ប៉ុមទៅតែ M frame ឆ្ងាញ់យល់ដល់ជាមួយនឹង Galaxy Phoenix ព្រាមជាមួយនឹងការដាក់កាទេ slow មួយនេះគ្នាគប់ skill ទី1ទៅខាងក្រោមនេះខ្ញុំណាប៉ុន្តែជាមួយនឹងឡតទៅតែកេះជាមួយនឹង minion បដាមកដល់ខាងក្រោមការជប់លៀងមិនទាន់មកចាប់នោះទេគឺគាត់បាត់ប៉ះថែមតែឲ្យជាមួយនឹងសលេងមកយូរជុំគ្នាបងប្អូនម្ដងញ៉ាំជាមួយនឹង express ជុំគ្នាមកហើយជាមួយនឹងការគវី skill ទី1វាយចូលដល់ក្នុងផ្ទះជាមួយនឹង link Kashima link តាមទីក្បៃសាយណាមិនមានអ្វីបើបាក់ក្រាបបដុំពីចេនេះតោះទីលូណាឆោវាយ free នេះគ្នាតែលូតាមវាយបោកយកទៅលើក្រាបពេលខ្លួនឯង flick ដល់ទៅជាមួយនឹង Yumi រត់ក៏ប្រេគ្នាបាត់បង់ជាមួយនឹង Yumi 34អ្នកចង្រៃលុតក៏ពីសាយណាអត់ឈឺនោះទេតែដល់បានជាមួយនឹងចេនេះមួយនេះគ្នាថយមកក្រោយអស់ជីវិត2មានតែជួយទៅលើ claim ដែរទេពីជីវិត2កាប់3តាំងជាមួយនឹង IUC មីនៀន31អស់មីនៀនបាត់ហើយ
មកបងទៀត
ថែមីនៀន3មកទៀតជាមួយនឹងការកំងមីនៀនតាមទូចមកវាយខោះវាយយកចូលជាមួយជុំវាយទៀតចេញចំណេះ